Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm not only an analyst but also host of the Grok Star Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. More about that at the end of the video. So here's a trade that we had this morning on WPRT, the West Point Innovations. It had some rumors about it as far as Netflix and its connection to them. So let's see, at opening it popped way up. Look at this. Came up here, pulled back, and then it had this beautiful run here. Well, I was trading some other stocks and missed that particular run, but then it started to have a pullback here, what we call a pullback buy or a bull pullback. If you want to know more about what that is, you can go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. Look under pullback buy, or also known again as a bull pullback. This is a description of it here, and here's what it looks like, where you have a run up, a pullback to a line of support, and then it takes off because it is a bullish formation. So here we had our big run up, and here we had a pullback to a line of support, which in this case is the 8 EMA exponential moving average. Let's see what happens next. Oh, great. So it's starting to do the pullback, so I went ahead and I set an order here. The market, by the way, was also going up at this time. Boom! Look at that! And so I did. I entered my in right here at 25.76. I'm now long at 25.76. Let's pull this down and see what happens next. Boom! Look at that! That's over 1.5% right there. And it's pulling back a little bit. Pull all the way back down there. And again, where does it get support? Right here at the 8 EMA. Tagged it. Started to go up again. Boom! Look at that! Went up again. Again, this is another bull pullback here. Boom! Look at that! Up over $27. And then pulled back really hard. Bam! I pulled my stop up here to this formal level of resistance, pulled back, and it got me out right here at 26.50. That was for 2.8% in 11 minutes. Out of curiosity, what happened after that? It did continue to work its way downward then. So these are some of the trades that we're doing in the Grok Star Trading Room, of which I am a host. But I want to talk to you about two events that we have coming up in the near future. First of all, this Wednesday night, that's tomorrow night, we do have a 101 course on gaps and trend reversal patterns, and you can attend this. It's at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, and we'll also discuss this as well as the upcoming mentoring events. Just press this and it'll take you to the page where you can sign up right here to register for it. Now, I highly recommend that you also register if you cannot attend, because if you do, you will then get a link to the recording of that webinar. And then we do have two mentoring events coming up. One you can do via webinar right in the comfort of your own home. That's 3 days starting on the 16th through the 18th of June. Or if you'd like to travel to Vegas and do a live event with us, we do have a live mentoring session in Vegas. You'll be in a room with like-minded successful traders, and we'll be sharing what we can do to trade even better. In fact, we have a special 2-for-1, never-before-done offer that if you pay to come to that, you can bring someone for free. Now, there's an offer you can hardly refuse. So be sure you register for the webinar this Wednesday. We'll also be discussing the mentoring at that time. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. You just got to remember that trading is a lot like sailing. You can't necessarily go directly to your goal. You have to tack back and forth to reach that goal.